I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the room and setting a reachable working area. You want a clean edge from the beginning. Once done, load an angled sash brush with a modest amount of paint and cut a 2-3" strip along the ceiling-to-wall seam. Make steady, confident strokes. Why? Because less paint on the brush reduces drips and gives a crisp line. You also follow with a light skimming of brush strokes to blend. Make sure to keep your step ladder stable and work in short sections. Once the cut-in is established, you immediately roll the adjacent ceiling area while the paint edge is still wet. This prevents lap marks and ensures a uniform finish. Use a 9 mini roller with 1/4 nap loaded moderately and make long, slightly overlapping passes. Why overlap 2-3 inches? To feather the brush line into the rolled surface so you can't see the transition. Make sure to monitor paint load and reload the roller evenly to avoid. You finish by visually inspecting the ceiling under angled light to catch any misses. Once dry, sand small drips lightly and spot prime before recoating. If coverage is uneven, apply a second coat using the same cut-in and rolling rhythm to preserve the edge. Troubleshooting tip: if a lap or hard edge appears, don't panic. Recut into the adjacent wet area within 10 to 15 minutes or feather with a slightly damp roller to blend. This is why timing matters during each pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.